we're coming to you and we bring you an aha effect that is quite simple, but so in depth. And it's like a revelation, and it will change your life in rather an instant. And then comes the process of integrating it, because it's quite a big chunk. Once you come to the conclusion, then, whoa.
You're so right. But I love that you gave us a starting point that really can be explored within ourselves and within our families, loved ones. So what does love mean to you, listeners? Have a think about that and see if you can't write yourself down your definition of what it means to you. Mm-hmm. And then ask yourself, are you acting in that way consistently yourself? Because if you want to receive these things, then, you should also exhibit them yourself. And if you go back and listen to our very first episode, mm-hmm. which is called Who Are You?, we talk a lot about values and how you behave is the most important thing in your life. And I think that it certainly carries over into this, that how we behave towards other people is going to be reflected back at us.